Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC60 battery. First, find your vehicle's 12-volt battery, usually under the hood or in the trunk. Next, identify the positive and negative terminals. The positive is marked with a plus sign and is typically red, while the negative has a minus sign and is black. Make sure your battery charger is designed for a 12-volt battery system to ensure safe and effective charging. Now, let's connect the charger. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your battery. For the black negative clamp, find a clean, unpainted metal part of the car's chassis away from the battery and connect it there. This grounding step is crucial for safety, helping to prevent sparks near the battery, which can emit flammable gases. With the clamps securely in place, you can now plug your battery charger into a standard household electrical outlet. Most modern chargers will automatically detect the battery type, but if yours has settings, select the option for a 12-volt lead-acid battery. Allow the charger to work until the battery is fully charged, which could take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours, depending on its discharge level. Once your battery is fully charged, it's time to disconnect. Always unplug the charger from the wall outlet first. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the chassis, followed by the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. For optimal battery life, consider checking the fluid levels periodically if you have a non-sealed battery, and keep the terminals clean and free of corrosion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.